The world leader in restroom cleaning just went cordless. Introducing battery-powered no-touch cleaning from Kaivac. Go Anywhere capability allows you to move freely and quickly throughout a facility any time of the day without worrying about electrical outlets or trip hazards. Smart lithium-ion technology maximizes cycle time and extends battery life with consistent performance from beginning to the end of the charge. Perfect for day cleaning in school settings, large venues like airports, stadiums, and industrial facilities, older buildings with limited access to electrical outlets, and route cleaners looking for maximum flexibility in their cleaning application. So cut the cord and experience the freedom a battery-powered no-touch cleaning system will bring to your cleaning program.